Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, guys, I'm going to show you how to view all media in a Discord chat on PC. Now, I know on phone you can just go to your Discord chat, click on someone's profile and then go to media that way. But on a Discord, it is different on your PC. You cannot do that exactly. So what you want to do, guys, for example, I want to view all the images. I can come and click on one of the images right here. Right? For example, this is the thumbnail of this video too. And if you want to view other images, you can just come here and press on next and view the other images that way. Otherwise, what you can do, guys, if you have a big chat that spans over multiple days, multiple months, or years, weeks, you can do this. Come here at the top right, click on this search, and you'll see the search options, this drop down menu. You want to come and click on has, and then we want to choose image or video, whatever type of media file you want. You can choose those specifically. For example, if I'm going to click on image, you'll see all the images that have been there on this chat. This one was on 21st October 2024. I can come here and click on jump, and I would be redirected to this image in this chat. So I can come here and click on this, and I can look at that image, and then I can come and jump back to today's images. And as well, guys, you can just come here and press next. So it's literally that easy and simple, guys. So if this video helps, guys, make sure you hit that like button. Comment down below if you're still having trouble, and I'll try to help you out in the comments as well. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel.